We'll move on now to multiply numbers in index form. Pause the video and write down any facts that you think you should know about multiplying numbers in index form. So, when we're multiplying numbers in index form, we have this rule here. A to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n equals a to the power of m plus n. This means that when we're multiplying, we can add the powers m plus n. We can only do this if the base numbers are the same. So for example, if you have 3 to the power of 3 multiplied by 3 to the power of 5, because the base number is the same, we can write that as 3 to the power of 3 plus 5, which is 8. Pause the video and try examples 3, 4, and 5. Example 3. Here the bases are the same, so we can do 7 squared times 7 cubed would be 7 to the power of 2 plus 3, or in other words 7 to the power of 5. The question asks us to simplify, so we're not actually working out the value, we're not evaluating, so we just write it as 7 to the power of 5. Example 4, simplify. A to the power of 7 times a to the power of 2. The base is the same, it's a, and when the bases are the same, we can add the powers when multiplying. So we do 7 plus 2, and that gives us a to the power of 9. Example 5, simplify 2 cubed times 5 squared. Well, here the bases are not the same, so we cannot simplify that. We could evaluate it. We could work out 2 cubed is 8, 5 squared is 25, and do 8 times 25, which is 200, but it doesn't ask us to do that. We can't write this in a simpler way, so you can just say that cannot be simplified.